See, they got this road all kinds of fucked up. And that's why it helps to know your back roads. Like, because this neat little turnaround, it'd be great if that side wasn't fucked up too. So I'm just to avoid all of that. Anyway, sup humans? How's your mom in here? Y'all, I finished Baki today. That's like Baki Hanma, the Netflix one. That's a wild ass anime. Never has a dumber anime made me like feel more feelings. Alright, and here is my turn. Is anybody coming? No? Okay. I don't even know what I'm going to talk about today. I think I'm just going to like bop around these here back roads a bit. Just avoiding the highway for a little bit. Nice and twisty and all green with water and shit. Like, look at that. I have a long ride ahead of me this coming weekend. I'm very excited. It's not as long as the one I was gonna be taking before everything kind of fell through on me. But, still pretty sizable chunk of road. Heading to South Pittsburgh on Saturday. Very excited about that. Yeah, no, but another thing about Baki is like, I kind of want to get shredded like that. You know, like the full muscle mommy like deal. Like, I kind of want to do that. I don't know if I have the motivation to do that though. That's the thing. Like, because when I first like put all the weight off the first time, like my life was in danger. My life is no longer in danger. And it's not like I have to like slug it out with Yujiro Hanma or anybody anytime soon, so yeah, I'm probably fine in that respect. Oh, yay, we get to do what scooters do best, which is bitty baby tight turns. And this road's got a bunch of fucked up holes in it too, but it's not a different texture. Guy on the XR back there was pretty cool. Cooler than me, probably. I don't know. I need to be nicer to myself. But if I'm nicer to myself, where's my motivation gonna be, right? Like, I think it's perfectly fine for me to be fat phobic at just myself, right? As a motivation. Like, I'm not going to do that to other people. Like, I'm not going to walk up and call somebody, like, an insult because they're overweight. But I'm certainly going to look in the mirror and do it to myself. Which I know probably not healthy. But I'm the only one affected by it, you dig? So, like, I don't know if that's bad. Like, I think that's perfectly fine. Because if that's what's going to motivate me to, like, get my shit together and get back in shape, then I think that's what it's going to have to take, right? Like, who the fuck really knows? There's a lot of really interesting types of like little divots back here. And I gotta like hang at the hilltop for a second just to kind of make out where they are because of the way the light falls down through the trees. I've been thinking about like once I get my drive belt situation rectified and do an oil change, heading out to the Dragon. But like, you know, that's not a super far drive for me, or that's not a super far ride for me, rather. It's like 2.5 hours. I've been thinking about it. I am more than willing to oblige the fast boys and use the pull-offs. Because I know it's a public racetrack. It's not a public road. Probably go early in the middle of the week or some shit. Good God, it's so bumpy back here. Hello, big structure. What are those even called? Had one of those go down near my house in a storm not too long ago. Like, the winds took it down. I didn't even know that wind could take those down. I thought that's why they were all hollowed out like that. Right? Look, I'm not crazy, am I? I don't think I am. I think that that is how they're designed, and it was just like, you know, Probably bad maintenance or something, or like a structural failure. You know, things that happen to big metal things in the elements. Speaking of big metal things in the elements, I need to change my fucking brake pads. They're starting to get a little raggedy. I've had some trouble stopping here lately, and that's probably why. Like, they're not completely bare metal yet, but, like, they're getting there. But back to the thing I was talking about. Like, I think it's perfectly fine for me to be mean to myself to motivate me. Like, I'm not going to do it to other people, because that's just, you know, mean. But me? Fuck me. I'll do that to me all day. Why is it always so fucked up on Wednesdays? Why are you... Look, what do you got going on in front of you? Come on, man. Pick up the fucking pace. Let me adjust my position. That's the best thing about, like, maxi scoot ergos. Like, yeah, the Vespa look is great, but you can't really, like, kick your feet forward highway peg style on a Vespa without, like, doing some shit to it that ruins the look. And really, that's what Vespas are all about, right? It's like the Harley effect. It's prestige. It's aesthetics. It's not really materially better than anything. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a different way through there. Fuck all of that noise. I've got an alternate route that takes me to the same place, but this shit is stupid, family. I'm not gonna take any unnecessary risks either. Boy howdy, I can feel my skin burning. Pop back through here, round the mall, and that will be our way out of this. It's hot as fuck, dude. I should really start packing that sunscreen I bought for this exact reason. What the fuck is this? Mistakes were made. Ugh. Had to take a bit of a detour. It sucked, but we lived. We lived. A little hot. A little about it. But, you know, that's summer, right? And the cool thing about summer is you've got nature's air conditioning. I am sweating like a whore in church. All I gotta do is unbutton my vest, and boy howdy, the cooling benefits of having sweat glands will start to work their magic. It doesn't help that I'm wearing all black today like an idiot underneath this. Yeah, no, I think that was a rousing adventure. Oh, hold on. You good? You good? Fuck you. Yes, but I think that was a rousing enough adventure. I'm going to keep the next couple miles between me and the insurance company. Y'all have a good one.